Hello, remote workers. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's the fin with worldwide opportunity. Yes, worldwide remote jobs. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you this opportunity from guru.com. I have actually two of them, two websites that I'm gonna share with you. Is you can get jobs online and make money online. Yes, from any continent, from any country, you can get job. Guys, we'll start with this guru.com. It is a platform, let's say Upwork or Fiverr, something like that. You can be freelancer to this website, but this one is not saturated as much as Upwork or Fiverr. So this, like I can say, people are still trusting this platform, and people are getting jobs or gigs, and people are making money on this platform. Let me show you how you can do. So as I said, it's platform for freelancer. You can come and find freelancers, or you can become freelancer on this platform. Again, it's guru.com. Go to this guru.com and sign up. Okay, the sign up process is pretty much simple. It can take you like 10 minutes or 1 minute. So depending if you have material in hand. Okay, let's say you want to see how it works. They say they work with employer, more than 100,000 employer worldwide. Okay, and they have paid about 1 million paid invoices through this platform. They managed to pay more than 250 millions of USD. Okay, as you can see, all this money went to freelancer. You can be freelancer regardless if you are in Africa, Asia, United States, South America, anywhere you are. You can be freelancer on this platform, and you can choose which sector to become freelancer. Let's say you want to become programming and development, if you feel comfortable in this career, or you can be writer or translation. Yes, design and art, education and training, sales and marketing, administrative and secretarial, and businesses and finance. So you can choose. Let's say if you go to this writing and translation, okay, you can see, you can again choose which kind of editing and translation do you want to be. Maybe general writer, you can write at any topic, or you can write on web content, copywriting, advertising copy, article news, and so many more. So it's up to you to generalize and which kind of things. But here, guys, my advice is to choose a niche, which sector you are specified into. Because, for example, if you choose general writer, some people may think, okay, some people may come to the website to see anyone who can put the work in place. But guys, this time around, people are want someone who is specified. If you have been working on web, or if you have been working on transcriptions, so now you can choose anything you want. Maybe if you are comfortable in proofreading or editing, yes, you can apply, or you can submit your portfolio on this platform and become freelancer on this platform, guru.com. Okay, so the process to you can see they say customer satisfaction is 100%. Yes, for example, let me take a short example. If you click here, English translators, for example, this guy is from Kenya. This is his name. His name is Grafton Osoro Mangera. Is from Kenya, Kisii, Nyanza, and you can see he can translate. Even he can even translate English to Czech, English to Arabic, English to Italian, Japanese to English. Guys, don't think that this guy maybe know all the languages. What they do, you can come and submit your portfolio here, but when you get a task, you can get help from other people, and make money and give them money, and you back to, maybe you give them 50% and you remain with 50%. So it doesn't matter. And I don't think if he understands all these languages, okay, Arabic, Czech, English, Japanese, and everything. So yes, he might understand all of it, but not really perfect in all languages. So as you can see, you can come and become freelancer, or let's say get a course. This is how he described himself. He said, I'm Garvaton specialist in English translation to other languages around the country. I have an experience in daily language transcription for 5 years now, since I have worked every part of different companies. I'm an expert on these services. I do, and it is perfect. Okay, this is how he describes himself, and this is how much he charges. He charged $10 per hour, and starting from $25. Okay, so going back, there is other people. If you can see, this guy's from Brazil. He's translator in English. Yes, this is from Pakistan. There are so many people, just regardless which country you are in. This one is from India, from Belgium, from Morocco, Malaysia. So you can see there is so many people. Okay, and if you go to other maybe general writing, so for example, if you say Spanish translator, you will see so many people from Mexico, Venezuela, Pakistan. Wow, this is from Pakistan and he's translator in Spanish. Wow. So it doesn't matter. You can get a job on this platform or a gig on this platform and get to find Fiverr freelancer to help you to translate. Even if you don't know Spanish, maybe you are comfortable in English only. It means maybe you can do the gigs related to English transcription and give the rest to others. Okay, so this is about the platform. It's not about only transcription, as I said earlier. If you go back, you will see there is other ones. It's sales is now on market, guys, because there is so many things about working on social media platform, social media manager. What you have to do is just to post every day, comment on other people's maybe posts, things like that. Okay, creating a very valuable content or anything. It's simple, but you have to be there. Let's say customer relationship, general sales, digital marketing. If you click here for digital marketing, this is how you can apply and get started with guru.com. So guys, this is good about guru.com. Let's go to this another platform. So if you go to this platform or this website, getguru.com, it kind of sounds like similar to Guru, you just review it, but this one is another website you can get a job, full-time job. Okay, this is getguru.com. If you write maybe getguru.com and you will go down here, you will find careers. Okay, if you go down, get careers, and you will start reading the position they have. For example, this time around they have these two positions. You can work from anywhere you are. You can get a job on this platform. Let's say thank you for your interest in career opportunity at Guru and for visiting our page. Let's say if you click here, okay, this is a job. You can review the job in details. Because of time, I will not view everything, but you can see they need 5 years of experience because they have more salary. Okay, and they have all the benefits. All right, and then submit the application, maybe your CV, your cover letter. Your cover letter is very, very important. Also, answer to the question here. So, yeah, that is number one. There is another one, interest in career at Guru. Yes, you don't have, maybe this is not a specific job they have, but you can submit here the job, and then for your CV, I mean, and then if they have the jobs in the future, they will start with your CV. Yes, they say they at Guru, we know that the talent is everywhere. So they work from people around the globe, and you can work with them at this platform and work in the United States with these companies. So they work with different companies in the United States, work with them around the globe. So if you don't find any position which suit you, just go ahead and submit your name, your details, and then cover letter, CV, and then you have to answer all these questions. Why are you interested in joining Guru? Here there is field that you can select according to your wish. For example, if you are interested about marketing, and guys, don't make mistake about clicking everything. They will find that okay, you are not serious about what you're doing, because you can not work on all the platform. So what you have to do is just to select one platform. Okay, I mean one field of interest. You have to select maybe marketing and then continue your application. So guys, these are the platform that I wanted to share with you. You can find jobs on getguru.com, or you can be freelancer on this other platform, guru.com. Guru.com, you can get data entry jobs, any job that you may think. It's kind of working as maybe Upwork, Appen, um, any other freelancer platform that you may think, but this one is not saturated. So get started with this platform. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Remember to like my video. If you give me support of liking my video, may God bless you and see you next time. Bye bye.